I'm Mike, the product manager for Python Protective Sleeve and Covers, a division of Suburban Manufacturing. Today I want to introduce our new series of drum heaters. We're introducing our 80-degree fixed temp drum heater and our 100-degree fixed temp drum heater, added to our controller or adjustable version drum heater. So we got a couple different customers that have requested different variations. Some customers that want to be able to control the amount of temperature that goes into their content. You have a controller on this side where you can manually adjust the temperatures of the blanket itself. And on this side, these drum heaters have an internal set controller so that the operator or the user can just plug and play. So in other words, you unroll the cord, plug it in, and it's going to ramp up the temperature to 80 degrees on this particular blanket and ramp up to 100 degrees on that particular blanket. All three heaters can be put onto a metal 55-gallon drum or a plastic 55-gallon drum, depending on the content and the drum that you're typically using for your application. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our sales team or visit us on pythoncovers.com.